Where's the hood shot?
Where is the hood shot? Let me see those batteries. Signature Homes. She's a work truck.
Hell yeah.
Props on the right off. One left to go. You ready? Yeah. All right. Crispy. What's up, guys? We are back in the studio for a video we haven't done in quite a while. This is from the gallery where we sit down, me and someone else. Today we got Bushman here. Let's just jump into it and see what they picked out for us to discuss and rate.
I know we got some good stuff in here.
I hope so. All right, starting out, we've got Cam A. Smith's 2018 Ford F-250, 30 by 16 KG1s, 42 16.5 Furies, and a Kelderman air suspension. This kit is adjustable basically from 8 inches to 12 inches. Now, this is an example of what has not been touched on this truck. Right. Road armor bumpers, FCK lights, 2020 and up front end swap, Morimoto headlights, custom compressor mount.
I'm waiting for you to get to the ass shot over there.
Huh? 3, 2, 1, 9.
It's a 9 for me too.
Yeah.
This is a 9 for me too. Everything is done here. This is something that you see never.
I mean, the only thing, if I could see under the hood and all that's painted and color matched, this truck is a 10.
Would that be your first 10?
More than likely. If it's done, you pop that hood and it's all stock 6.7.
First CO 10.
Roland X25s, 2020 Sierra 2500, TIS 547 Chromies, 2414s.
It's like a neon pink.
Yeah, it's bright. 33-inch Venom Powers on a 3-inch Rough Country. So they're saying they got interior work. I wonder if there's any pictures of it. There's our subs under the back seat.
That's a good one.
That's a good one. Signature Homes. She's a work truck.
Hell yeah.
Props on the right off. This is the guy I want building my house right here.
This is eye-catching too. What a great walk-in billboard. How do you feel about those taillights?
You know what? Stock taillights are rough.
Smoked may be nice.
Smoked maybe, but I'm assuming this is a truck that they probably, keep for 3 or 4 years, right? It's a business vehicle. You don't want to spend too much on something that's going to go down the road eventually.
You don't want to spend too much, and then we got those.
So you can see the wood on the Rapid Pink. You know what I mean? You can bring some of that color inside, guys. It's okay to do.
We got a lot to consider here. Work truck, the color, 3-inch lift, tint up there.
It is tinted.
We see some tint. I'm ready for a rating on this.
3, 2, 1,
8.
6.
6?
Yeah.
I feel like 6 is low.
It is low. I get that it's a work truck and it's probably gonna be traded in, right? But I'd still like to see more stuff done. Maybe swap out the solid running boards for some amps, right? Bring some of that color into the suspension. You know what I mean? It's not gonna transfer to the next truck. So if you're gonna do it, you might as well do it.
This might be a little bit higher if we weren't looking at a neon pink. I think again,
really,
we're looking at,
brings you down.
It's the neon pink. I mean, honestly, yeah, this is a grade 8 for me.
I'm just a stickler for like color matched and detail work. We'll leave it at a 6. You can argue with us in the comments. All right, what do we got next? I hate you.
I knew this was coming. I knew this was coming.
Doesn't even have an owner?
Left it out on purpose, actually.
Yeah, probably. 4-play, 22 by 10s, 285/50 ridge grapplers, so basically a 33. And stock suspension, fully adjustable. So I guess that's why they got pictures of it completely aired out on this thing.
It's black.
Guarantee there's nothing done. All this guy is blacked out and it's got tinted windows.
He didn't even want to put his frunk
yeah, right?
in the pictures.
3, 2, 1,
4.
4?
Yeah, I got to give this a 4. It's a Cybertruck.
You know what? I'm gonna upgrade mine to a 4 as well. It has window tint.
This is a great looking Cybertruck. It's a Cybertruck.
All right, guys, that wraps up this from the gallery. And if you want your vehicle featured, drop your gallery link in the comments below and we'll add it to the next video. Until then, we'll see you next time.